So the legend returns. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. I appreciate you guys. And today, back from 2012, right? I believe so. That was a long time ago, man. The cool gray Air Jordan 9s are back. And what makes the 9 just a fire sneaker off the back is that when 9s came out, Mike was playing baseball. He was in the minor league playing for the Barons, man. And that's why if you look at it now, if you didn't know that, and now this is your first time knowing that, it looks like a baseball cleat more than a basketball shoe. But lifestyle-wise, this shoe is fire. They kept it OG 23 in the back, man. This Air Jordan 9 brung so much different stuff that a sneaker never had. It amazes you, man. Mike did wear the cool grays, though, when he played for the Wizards. If Mike is considered your GOAT, then that part of his career you probably want to rewind on. But Mike is a GOAT. Let me just say that. Mike is a GOAT. But that Wizard situation was... Anyway, back to the cool gray 9s, man. They back, man. I was lucky enough to cop. I didn't even try sneakers, guys. I went straight through JD Sports, their release. And I was able to cop, man. Let's hit the B-roll. I don't know if the camera could pick it up. You got brick by brick, unions, galaxies, and now the cool grays. The last 3 weeks of sneakers been on fire. We don't do too much talking here. Sneaker Notes, let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. We talking cool gray, right? They even cool grade the box. But last year, I believe they did that with the Air Jordan 11s too. I didn't have that sneaker long enough in here to even smell it. Like, I'm done with 11s, guys. Me personally, I'm done with 11s. But cool gray 9s is something I gotta have inside my sneaker collection. So, all gray box. Again, I believe the 11s came the same way. It reads Air Jordan 9 Retro, medium gray, cool gray, white. When you get the lid off, it's just like the brick by bricks kind of, to be honest. Got a white inside. No special tissue paper, just some white tissue paper. And let's get it. Here's a 360 view of the Air Jordan 9 cool grays, man. I don't know where y'all want to start, man. This sneaker's just screaming at me, man. But let's go with the toe box. Toe box, that gray. I hated the 9 toe box. Y'all know, y'all want to hear the truth? You come to this channel. Right here, it's going to wrinkle, guys. I don't care what kind of quality they put on this sneaker. Right here is going to wrinkle. I remember on my Space Jam pair years ago, I tried not to even put shoelaces here and start up here. It doesn't matter, man. This is going to wrinkle. But right now, out the box, it is A1, guys. That's a nice gray, man. Looks like a bad day, but that's a nice gray, man. Around it, though, that patent leather is patent leathering. That is shiny, man. That's A1 material, man, all the way around. I like that part, man. That's very dope, man. The white at the bottom is also a staple, and as you can see, it looks more like a baseball cleat now that you know that Tinker designed these while Jordan was trying to get into the major leagues, you know, after his retirement and everything. Right here, I don't know what you call this rubber material, right? I guess rubber. You got a baby mini Jordan there, very dope. But let's get to the back, man. The back was my favorite. When Jordan came out with this world symbol here, this was after he already gave us 3 championships. Around it used to say, quality made by the best Let's see what it says. It says nothing here, but when it first came out, it said sneakers quality made by the best player in the world, something like that. But that's where the global situation came from. And also, again, at this time, Mike wasn't playing basketball, so he was a global star. That's where you get the globe from. Down there, you get 23 stitched in white. We all know when Mike came back, he had to wear 45 for a little bit, but 23 is the Jordan we know. Bringing it back, you get that pull tab here that actually acts as a pull tab because the inside is like a one sock situation. See that? So the inside acts as a sock already. That was the first time that probably was the first time we seen that too, especially on a Jordan. Well, the 7s did have a situation like that, so maybe not. But they go to inside, you see the sock lining inside the sock lining, which is crazy. And even the inside is a cool gray also. You start at the top here and you go down. I don't know what the design mean, but to me, it looks like a baseball mitt, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like a baseball mitt to me. I just came across that. It didn't look like that when I was younger. But now you know the story. He wasn't even playing. It does look like a baseball mitt. And you get that on both sides. Shoelaces here, rope style, all white. Of course, you don't get different shoelaces. You never did on the Jordan 9. Kept it OG with the square fat tongue. Yeah, it's OG here, man. They also kept it OG with the bottom two guys. Big white Jordan man there. Hieroglyphics. Yeah, man. The 9s are back. That was the right. This is the left here. Nothing's changed. I want to show y'all this a little more. It does look like pieces of the gray is coming up already off the nubuck. I mean, I wouldn't call that a quality situation, but be aware of that. I do got a little stitching issues also. Little stitching coming out right there. But besides that, everything else adds up, man. I love how this cool gray patent leather starts all the way up here with your first shoelace holder all the way down and wraps around the shoe, man. That's special. Cool grays, man. Like I told you, these came out Saturday, and I was in flux. I was home on my laptop, and I'm like, I don't know, man. Sneakers is a little iffy lately. Even though I got brick by bricks, and J23 and Soul Links, they just kept JD Sports, this one, Finish Line. And I was like, let me just try JD Sports first. And as soon as 10 o'clock hit, I went to the JD Sports website. I checked out ASAP, I think in a minute. And the sneakerhead in me wanted to still try on the sneakers app, but I was happy I secured these off JD Sports. Out of all the non-hype sneakers of the year, this is one I had to get back in my collection. Because my 2012 pair, I know I probably done gave those away by 2014. I didn't think we was going to have to wait all the way to 2025 to see cool grays again. And I think we saw cool gray 11s twice since. So that was kind of weird to me. But far as these restocking, it's likely. I think it's likely because a lot of people thought these was going to sit, and a lot of people just wanted Union 1s and brick by brick. So these in Jordan 4 SBs, so these were kind of under the radar. Now, if Jordan Brand wants to really bring back the nostalgia, they won't restock these. They'll keep them for a couple of weeks. This way, people know not to play on Jordan Brand like we did last year. We played on their name last year, man. But I think they were like $225 too. These weren't $190. I got to check my receipt from JD Sports, but a little more than when they came out in 2012 for sure, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.